Hi everyone. In the previous video, we have tried updating Java from UI. When we started clicking on update Java from this 11.0.16 to 11.0.26, we have seen some certificate related issue. So upon checking the container logs, I see there is some PKX path building failed, which is related to my SSL certificate of my proxy server, which is this error. Path building, PKX path building failed, unable to find valid certificate path to the requested target. So the runtime is trying to communicate to the platform and the atom.boomi.com. So what I see is the proxy server related certificate, which is this one, has already expired on 2/1/2024. I haven't installed the latest certificate, so that's why the issue has happened. So to resolve this issue, there are two possible ways. One thing is directly add the proxy server certificate in your Java key store, and the other thing is for some reasons if you're not able to get the certificate or if you're not able to add the certificate to the Java key store, you just need to bypass the two hosts here. Currently, I've given start.boomi.com. Instead, you have to bypass these hosts manually. So, for example, platform.boomi.com is one host, and the other is atom.boomi.com. The port can be anything here. So 443. So once you bypass this host, there will be no certificate, SSL certificate related checks, and your Atom should be coming online and sometime. Let me refresh the page. So once the communication has happened between the runtime and platform, your UI should be online. Okay, so if you see the Atom is on, the runtime is online now. Once you click on the certificate, you'll be able to see the certificate authority tab. In the previous video, we weren't able to see the certificate authority tab, right? So in this video, we'll see. So this is the exact issue that we are facing on Feb 1st. The Charles proxy related, which Charles proxy is my proxy server, where the certificate is expired. Like I said, the issue can be resolved either bypassing the host or we can directly import the certificate into the certificate authority which is on the Java keystone. In the next video, we'll see how we can actually update the Java from UI now that we have resolved this certificate authority related issue. Thank you. Thanks for listening to this video. Have a nice day.